Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to create a read-only channel in Discord server. Now to create a new channel is the first step we need to take. So how do you create a new channel? Right click on the server name in the server list. The next step is you have to select create channel and next choose text channel and give it a descriptive name, for example announcements, rules or read only. Next you have to adjust the channel permissions. Right click on the newly created channel and select edit channel. Then go to the permissions tab and select the at everyone role. Disable the following permissions: send messages, disable it; send messages thread, disable it; create public threads, disable it; and create private thread, disable it. Next, you have to click Save Changes at the bottom of the permission settings. Now, only users with specific permissions like administrators or moderators will be able to send messages in this channel. Everyone else will only be able to view the messages. Please note, administrators and moderators by default will still have the ability to send messages in read-only channels. You can adjust their permissions if needed. You can also create custom roles with specific permissions and assign them to members to allow them to send messages in the read-only channel. It's called a role-based permission. This method effectively creates a read-only channel where only designated users can post messages, allowing you to control the flow of information and create a dedicated space for announcements or important information. It is as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks so much for watching. Have a nice day or night depending on your